Hey everyone, and welcome back to Summarize Science. You've probably seen AI that can create an image from text, but what about creating a full 3D model from a single 2D picture? It's possible, but often the AI has to guess what the hidden parts of an object look like, leading to distorted or inaccurate results. Today, we're looking at a new paper from Tencent called Hunyuan 3D Omni, a system designed to solve this exact problem. Instead of just relying on one image, this AI can take multiple types of hints to guide its creation process. As you can see here, it can use things like a point cloud, which is like a 3D scan of an object. It can also use a simple bounding box to define the object's overall dimensions, a voxel grid, which is like building with 3D pixels, and even a skeleton to define a character's pose. The genius of this system is that it uses a single, unified architecture to understand all these different control signals. It's not a collection of different tools, but one smart model that can process an image and any one of these hints together. So, what does this look like in practice? Let's look at some results. Here's one of the coolest features: skeleton control. You can give the AI an image of a character, along with a simple stick figure skeleton in a specific pose. The AI then generates a high-quality 3D model of that character, perfectly matching the pose you provided. You can see it works for poses, action poses, and more, which is a massive deal for animators and game developers. Now let's look at bounding box control, which controls the object's size and proportions. In this example, they use the same image of a chair but provide different-sized boxes as a hint. The AI doesn't just stretch the chair, it intelligently redesigns it to fit the new dimensions. For instance, when making a longer sofa, it even adds extra support legs in the middle. This control is also powerful enough to fix a bad generation. Here, the AI initially made a flat, paper-thin mess from the image of a person. But by adding a simple bounding box as a hint, it was able to understand the intended depth and create a proper 3D model. The system can also use more detailed hints like point clouds, which might come from a 3D scanner. Using a point cloud helps the AI recover details that are hidden or unclear in the 2D image, like the back of this object. This ensures the final 3D model is far more accurate and aligned with the real-world object. So, to recap, Hunyuan 3D Omni is a unified AI that gives creators an incredible amount of control over 3D asset generation. By incorporating hints like skeletons, bounding boxes, voxels, and point clouds, it moves beyond the guesswork of single image generation. This makes the AI a much more reliable and precise tool for professional workflows. In the future, technologies like this could dramatically speed up the creation of assets for video games, movies, and virtual reality. It lowers the barrier to entry for 3D creation, making it faster and more accessible for everyone. This level of control is what could turn generative AI from a novelty into an indispensable tool for creative industries. What do you think of this new level of control? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.